Alter, guck dir das an, siehst du das? Ja, voll. Oh, hier. Hier. Alter, guck dir das an. Alles. Ist ja der Welt, ne? Kann man dann ein bisschen traurig werden. Da ist noch ein Tornado. Da ist er.
A tornado swept through the western German city of Paderborn on Friday, injuring dozens of people as it blew away roofs, toppled trees and sent debris flying for miles. Authorities said meteorologists had warned that heavy rainfall and hail were expected in western and central Germany on Friday, with storms producing wind gusts up to 130 kilometers per hour, 81 miles per hour. Storms on Thursday had already disrupted traffic, uprooted trees that toppled onto rail tracks and roads, and flooded hundreds of basements in western Germany.
Guck mal, das Dach da oben. Da, das ganze Dach ist weg.
Boah.
Krass, da auch.
Ja, warte, ich schicke dir mal ein Foto von dem Baum.
Ey, das ganze Dach. Guck mal, das Dach da oben. Da, das ganze Dach ist weg.
Boah.
Krass, da auch. Alter Verwalter.
Paderborn police said 43 people were injured in the storm that hit the city. 30 were being treated in hospitals and 10 of those were seriously injured. One woman was in a life-threatening condition. Police said they urged people to remain in their houses so as not to hamper rescue efforts or endanger themselves.
Hier ist eine Kriminalpolizei sogar. Und vorne, die ganzen Autos sind kaputt. Die ganzen Scheiben sind kaputt. Alter, oh mein Gott. Ich hab wirklich wieder Opa gerade bekommen.